Welcome to creating a custom modal from scratch. In this course, we are going to be creating our own modal using our own HTML. We're going to write our own CSS and we're going to write our own JavaScript. Now you don't need to know all of this like an expert does, but you do need to know some of the basics, and I'll go over some of them as well as the course progresses. So if you're not super familiar with CSS, that's okay. We're going to use basic CSS. If you're not familiar with JavaScript, that's okay. You can just steal my JavaScript. This is not a JavaScript course. We want to make a nice looking modal. JavaScript just happens to be a part of it. Now the final product is going to look something like this. We've got a page with a big button on it that says open modal, and when we click it, it opens our modal. Your final project is basically going to be creating this exact same modal, but customizing it so it looks and feels more like you. So you're gonna have to find a nice new background. You're gonna wanna change your styles. So this button, and that red one, that one. You're gonna wanna change those styles as well. And if you know JavaScript, great, you can work with JavaScript. But if you don't know JavaScript, again, that's okay. You don't need to know it. You can literally just steal mine. That's not the purpose behind this course. The JavaScript is not the purpose behind this course. So as a demonstration, open your modal, close your modal, open your modal, accept your modal. That's what we're going to be creating. And you can customize that all the way through this course. You have access to all of the code. I'll give you all of my final code that you can work with at any point in time. And you can ask questions and create a project as well to get some hands-on experience. Now, if this looks like a fun little project you might be interested in, feel free to enroll in this course and let's get started right away.